Hi everyone, here's another video dedicated to working with FoxPro. In this video we are using FoxPro LEDB driver, which is only available for 30-bit version. So please make sure that you are using 30-bit version of our software. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to convert or export data from FoxPro database to text file. There are actually multiple ways of doing it. It can be done using transformation. For example, in this particular transformation, we export data from FoxPro into Excel format, but that's not the only way. So let me show how it can be done using package workflow. Would be export from FoxPro. I used to program in FoxPro very long time ago. So here we have a list of available actions, and the one we need is called SQL to text, for example. Or we also have SQL to Excel and QED, QS, and XML, but we'll be using the text. So just double click on it, and we need to select connection. So connection is FoxPro. And we'll be using embedded SQL. Let's say that we want to export data from customers. Here's a SQL. We just need to select the target file. For example, this one. This is one of the fastest ways of exporting data because it doesn't do any complex, transformation, etc. Because even updating progress bar takes time. So encoding is going to be ANSI. We'll just select UTF-8 example. Skip modifier. Okay. And basically that's it. We are ready to run. All we need to do is to click green arrow, and for some reason it did not work. Okay. Oh, interesting. Sorry. So my fault as usual. Yeah, all done. Takes less than a second. $50,000 records per second. That's a lot. Anyway, I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching. And again, if you have any questions, all you need to do is to ask, and we'll do our best to help you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.